beauties, so I just got my Ulta order for the new Makeup Revolution foundation, concealer, and I also tried out their setting powder today. So guys, if you'd like to try these products with me and see, are they worth it, are they a great dupe for high end, are they amazing or not, then just keep watching guys to see for yourself. So my order has just gotten here from Ulta for the Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I also ordered the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. So, and I purchased this the other day, guys. I'm going to try this all out today and give it, give my review and see how it holds up. But I also did purchase this the other day. This is the Makeup Revolution Translucent Baking Powder, and I'm going to use this today as well. So I've already put on my CC cream. I did my eyes. This is the Anastasia Soft Glam. I have on my lashes. These are the Ardell Double Ups. And I do have on a lip. This is the Buxom lip pencil, plumping lip pencil in Hush Hush. I might change that up though. But anyway, let's get right into it, guys. So this is the first time it came wrapped in a cellophane type of wrapper, which I took off already. So let's first shake it and then let's open it up. Is it gonna be? Oh yeah, it is, guys. I was thinking, is this gonna be like the Tarte Shape Tape foundation? And it is. So it has that huge doe foot applicator, just like the Tarte foundation. And of course, there was so much drama with that foundation. So I don't know. I didn't really love it or hate it either way, but I do like that applicator, so I can't wait to use that. I don't know if I told you guys. I'm pretty sure I did tell you, but I do have on CC cream. That's pretty much it. So this is the Cosmetics CC cream. So let's just get right into it and try this puppy out. Now I also did just get this with my Ulta order. And this is a new blending sponge, a complexion sponge, I believe it's called, from Morphe. So it's not the same as their old blending sponge. It's very soft. It's amazing. It feels just pretty much like a beauty blender or like the Real Techniques, because I had this one in the past and this one always was very stiff and I really, didn't like this one as much. This one I believe they say is for contouring, but this one is for their complexion sponge, and it was like $5. It feels just like a beauty blender, so I'm really happy that I got this. So I'm going to use this today with the foundation. So let's just get right into it and pop this on. So it feels cool immediately on my skin. Oh, that is beautiful coverage so far. It feels really nice. It does feel very full coverage. So I like that. It's like gliding. It feels really nice on my skin. It's not tugging or pulling at all, so that's really nice. So I can use this like a highlighter, actually. It's so nice. Wow. So that's where we're at so far. It really truly does feel amazing. I'm loving the coverage so far. So let's go ahead and blend that out. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Wow, it's dewy yet full coverage. So it doesn't give a dry effect whatsoever. It just blended so effortlessly on my skin. That's crazy. I truly am used to doing a bit more blending, trying to move the product on my face, and this just melted right into my face. That's crazy, guys. Wow. Oh, I'm so glad, because I would never have tried this, because I'm like, sometimes I just have such a bad experience with foundation that I don't even know if I wouldn't have tried this, except for, I was thinking, maybe I'll, do a review on it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have thought about purchasing it. But this is actually the best foundation I've ever used. Wow. Hopefully it stands. Hopefully it will, do a good job of not separating and things like that on my skin. But so far that's gorgeous, and it's completely, I feel ready to go. Like this is, I don't feel like I need any more, and I do usually go in with quite a few layers of my foundation to get the look that I like, and that was just what you guys saw. That was much less than I usually use. So wow. And I see a huge difference. Looking in the mirror, I'm like, wow. And I put on foundation, I don't see a difference. So, let me go ahead now and try the concealer, even though I actually don't even feel like I need it. But let me go ahead and use it. This just feels just like the foundation. It feels absolutely amazing. creamy gel-like. So this is even like, this is actually gonna, it feels amazing. So I'm having to do very, very little blending for it to melt right into my complexion. That's amazing. Wow. I'm telling you guys, I usually am blending much longer, because it just, normally with my other products, it takes a much longer time for it to blend into my skin. But this is just like 1, 2, 3 blended. Wow. That's crazy. That's really amazing. This finish in real life, looking in the mirror, is stunning. Like I said, I normally really don't see a difference, but this is stunning. This is pretty much matches my complexion. This is the shade F6. I did purchase another shade a little bit warmer, because sometimes I do like to warm up my complexion with my foundation, so I'm excited to try that next time. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm literally in shock. I'm gonna go ahead and set this now, but I'm not gonna set it with this translucent powder from Makeup Revolution, because I don't know if I should, guys. I was setting with it the other day, and to be honest, I didn't really like the effect. So I'm thinking, it does say on it baking powder, so maybe this is really made for baking and not really for setting. I'm gonna try it one eye, but I can't, I didn't have a good experience the other day, so I'm not really sure. Oh, so you know what, guys, today I like it. So it must have been the concealer and foundation I was using the other day that was making me not like it, because today I like it. It's crazy. So it was, I gotta be completely honest with you guys. I'm just gonna, because I always am so honest with you guys, but I purchased the Fenty concealer and I did not like it. That was the one, and it was giving me, right away I was having creasing under my eyes, and my skin was like having separation, you know, because I do like to, you know, put my concealer a little bit lower, and it was separating under my skin. And that's why actually I thought I didn't like them. I thought it was the Makeup Revolution powder, but actually it wasn't. Because today I love it. So it was definitely, that Fenty concealer does not work for me. And to be honest, I was talking to a few other people, and they also said that they didn't have a good experience with the Fenty concealer. So, you know, maybe it's not, I don't know why, but it doesn't work. It didn't work for me. It did a lot of creasing and separating on my skin. So actually I used it today just to prime my eyes. I'll use it as an eye primer, because today I truly love this powder. I'm so happy, because I want to find a, you know, a dupe for the Laura Mercier powder, because it is very expensive, and you know, I'd rather not spend all that money, especially since I go through it like water. I love it. You know, I love doing my makeup. I love full glam, like as much as possible. So I am so happy, guys. I truly owe this all to you, dolls. This is my new favorite. I feel amazing right now. I feel good about myself. Because like I said, a lot of times I've been doing my makeup, I don't see a difference with my foundation. So, you know, I'm just like putting it on, going through the motions, but I really don't see, I'm not in love. This I am in love with. Truly. It's crazy. And the powder, I'm in love with the powder as well. And so, guys, you just saved me so much money, because I wouldn't have reviewed this, but a few of you dolls, I believe it was Milagros or Chrissy, asked me about, you know, finding a drugstore dupe for Laura Mercier powder, and so that's what got me, you know, interested. So let me go ahead and work on my contour, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished result. I just popped on some of this Cocoa contour that I picked up at TJ Maxx. It was on sale from Too Faced. This is really nice. I couldn't believe it. I just contoured a bit with this. And so if you guys see this is a great purchase. It worked really nice. It wasn't patchy. But that's all I did, guys. This is amazing. And normally I am going in with quite a few other powders. I didn't put on any other powder. I just contoured. And that's it. I didn't do anything else. That's crazy, because like I said, I normally am doing quite a few other steps, way more blending. So this foundation definitely cuts down on your blending time. It just took me a few seconds and I was completely blended, completely covered, feeling, you know, flawless and well blended. and concealed and corrected. So this stuff is amazing. This is definitely my hands down new favorite. And the translucent powder, I'm in shock because like I said, I didn't like it the other day when I used it. I didn't even want to use it today, to be honest. But it was actually the other products I was using the other day. I never thought it was the other products because the other products were high end and very expensive. So I figured it was the Makeup Revolution that was making me cakey, but it wasn't. It was the products that I was using from Sephora that I did get. The expensive drugs, the high end, was making me cakey and creasing and ugh. So anyway guys, this is phenomenal. I would be creasing up already. I would be getting cakey already from other products I've used. So I feel amazing. I feel good about myself. Like I'm ready to go out. I don't feel self-conscious. So that is amazing. Because like I said, I've been having issues with creasing and cakiness, and you guys can see I don't see any here at all. I love it. I'm so in love. So I'm so glad that I tried this Makeup Revolution foundation, concealer, and the translucent setting powder today. Like I said, it's my absolute favorite. So guys, let me know what you think. Have you tried the Makeup Revolution products? I know a few of you also said that the Makeup Revolution blush was your favorite. So I gotta try that next. I think, you know, Megan had said she loved it. She got the tattoo one of you beauties, Megan. So I gotta pick that up next. I did see it at TJ Maxx the other day. So I'm gonna go back and pick that up, and it was like $2. So I also got this, the lip that I'm wearing at TJ Maxx, and this was like $5, the Buxom Plumping Lip Pencil, and the gloss $5. So that's also at TJ Maxx if you guys have it at yours. So guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today and trying out and testing out this Makeup Revolution foundation, concealer, and setting powder. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried it? Do you love it? And what have you guys are in on all the info, so let me know if there's any other amazing new products that are coming out, especially drugstore products that you guys want me to try. I would love to try them. So guys, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good. Please subscribe if you like this video, and please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out so much. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I love you.